Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Hey, welcome my people. Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. My people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person was standing in front of a motor vehicle that was hooked up to a wrecker that was being operated by someone, viewers subscribers. Some people might say that the motor vehicle was attached to the wrecker. Some people might say connected. The point is, the person was standing between a motor vehicle that was somehow attached or hooked up to a wrecker that has been operated by someone. Police was at the location, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, it seems as if the motor vehicle was being seized or taken away, and the person was standing in front of the motor vehicle, trying to prevent the motor vehicle from being taken away by the wrecker that was being operated by someone or so on. Yes, and there are some people. At one point, police was in the process of removing the person from between those motor vehicles. In the video, me when the person said some words that also includes the words my and vehicle. In my point of view, I think that the person was at a dangerous spot. I think that the person was at a spot that was not safe. The video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. Take a look at this situation and tell me what you think. Oh, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Under what circumstances seized my vehicle? Why is my vehicle being seized? Why you send me down to Inspector White? Why not Inspector White? So why you gonna seize my vehicle illegally when I'm not doing that? No, don't try to call me. I'm not moving, so why should I not sit on a move? Why should I not be able to say, why are you even telling want to take my vehicle when I'm not operating on your What's illegal right here? What's illegal right here?
But people, that person was in a dangerous spot right there. So that was a dangerous position. I mean, the person was between two motor vehicles. You know, and the wrecker that was being operated by someone moved, which caused the other motor vehicle to move, and then the person was somewhat pushed because of where the person was at. That's dangerous. But anyways, let me know what you think, young people. It's set away. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, I want to talk about an edited video that I saw. And I'm going to ask you a question, but let me give some form of explanation about the edited video that I saw before I ask the question. The edited video that I saw shows what looks like bodies inside of a place. And in the edited video, me hear when a person said these words. Listen.
One thing, you know, I'm on the work, I'm on the do it. Then I funeral room, I'm going to tell off a little wash body. Wash better than wash body.
I hope you hear those words. I hope you hear those words. Because I think I hear funeral and I think I hear home mentioned in the edited video. For at least one reason, I'm not able to present the whole entire edited video to you. You see me, I try to keep this video as family friendly as possible. And let me say these words. You see, if some words that have been said in the edited video are true, and if the edited video is of a real situation where persons were working inside of a place where dead bodies are at, then viewers and subscribers, I would find a situation like that to be scary and shocking. I'm asking you one question. What do you think about a situation like that? That is, if the edited video is of a real situation where persons were working inside of a place where dead bodies are at. So I'm not confirming anything, you know. I mean, even right now, I am somewhat trying to totally understand certain things about the edited video based on what me see. Me I said, Jano. And you see, where I saw the edited video is a place where I wouldn't expect to see a type of video like that. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country of Jamaica. And this video shows some things that happened at the scene of a multi-motor vehicle accident. Or the video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened at the scene of a multiple motor vehicles accident. I'm not sure which one is correct. Yeah, but anyways, my people, the thing is though, it's a sad situation. I did not get any confirmed information to determine about the health of anyone who was involved in the situation. I did not get any confirmed information to determine about any injury nor about any fatality. And based on the situation that I saw in the video, it looked bad. I mean, the video shows a truck that had been damaged, and the video shows a motor vehicle that had been damaged to a certain extent. My people, take a look at this situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Double scream, guys. Double scream, guys. So then to give. Look. Only more there for us.
So look on the top of people. Watch it.
No, nobody not get hurt.
Huh?
About Maxil Avenue, guys. For Maxil Avenue, yeah. For Maxil. For Maxil. Go on double scream. For Maxil, man. Big beast in them, big beast, yeah. K24, big beast, big juice, my boss. Top of the screen, guy, big juice, dog boss, man. Big bum buck, so next guy, my friend, yeah, go on, man. Next guy, my friend. Go down. Come my friend, I'm bad, come my friend. Look, check him out. Code, you know.
Want to take away all our life from me, you know.
Yeah, I'm going over him live. I'm going over him live. Yeah, I'm going over Ziggy live. Show the truck, okay. Send in some gift. Show the car first again. From Maxi Avenue. Yeah, car. Lick them two car down the truck. Is it? See the truck, yeah? It's unbelievable. Believe me, man. Care for turn over a truck. Care for turn over a truck. Tell me now. Look, I be a care that you know. Pink pass a star, man. I'm not star.
Pack what my car. That the truck didn't look like that. That nothing about it. On the truck. Yes.
Look by the truck. Everything mash up.
Yes, sir. I don't think you never drive fast. Big breaking car. You never drive fast, you know.
Let's see what I got.
Watch out.
Look, by the truck. Send in some gift and tower scream. Hey, company. Oh my God. fuck up, bro.
Huh?
Yeah, man, sending some gift on Tower Screen. So my car, I lock him. Yes, I'm really there. I lock him. Maxi, yeah, Maxi. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Yeah, I thought me say I can't ride down my truck. Yeah, the carrier is a truck. Lock your truck. Man.
That motor vehicle, it's like whoops or something. You know what I mean?
No, nobody not dead. Nobody not dead. Body alive. Nobody not dead. Body alive. You know? This shit is supposed to be. Show no I go work. We are working. Said it some gift. But hey, said it, yeah. Debbie, thank you, baby girl. Add me, okay? Share my live, okay? See Chucky over here. Share my live, double scream, guys. We are work. All the work in our border. The people them so are going, because people them want so are going up on Maxil Avenue. People them need for so are up on Maxil, guys. How it happened, the Honda I do 180 or 240. The Honda, how much car? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 car. 5 car next to Honda. The Honda lit the cars them and lit the truck. Look. The Honda do everything.
You know what's a truck that not built good.
Truck build good, man. My father, man. No, nobody not there. Everybody alive. Everybody alive. Nobody not there. Is it? No, the Honda come up with my 2 lane go up Maxine. So the Honda come up on the money then lane and lick it. And the trucker come down. So the Honda lick the pink car lick that. And the Honda lick the trucker and turn over the truck. What go on for the blue car driver? The blue car driver, I'm gonna ask him good, man. Nobody not there, is it? That good, nobody not there. Share the live, top of the screen. Nobody not there. Nobody alive, is it?
Yeah, be a matter.
Yeah, car come like a cut already. There's a cut car. Like a build man and build car.
Well, my people, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if every word said in the video are accurate pertaining to the situation. And I want to say to every motorist, please, to each and every motorist, please drive safely for yourself and for others. use the road safely, because based on that situation that I saw in the video, I think it is more than obvious that at least one of those motor vehicles was moving at a certain speed. I assume that at least one of those motorists was going at a certain speed. I don't have any confirmed information to determine how exactly the whole incident might have happened, but to every motorist, please drive safely. I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it, Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what I think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.